Everyone eats avocados, but almost no one realizes the intense system behind this soft, creamy fruit. It looks simple. Just slice it open and enjoy. But what if I told you that producing over 260 million pounds every year in the United States alone is a high-pressure operation where precision matters at every step? Welcome back to Machine's Visit. Today, we're diving into a hidden world that begins in California, the avocado capital of the United States, where nearly 90% of the country's supply is grown. But here's the twist, even that isn't enough. Demand is so high that millions more are imported from countries like Mexico. And yet, despite all the modern machinery in agriculture, avocados follow a different rule. Machines can't replace human hands here, because one wrong move and the fruit is damaged. An avocado tree takes months to produce fruit, slowly growing until summer arrives and the orchards are filled with ripe avocados ready for harvest. And this is where the pressure begins. Farmers move carefully, inspecting each fruit for the perfect ripeness, not too soft, not too firm, with flawless skin. Using long poles with sharp cutting blades and sturdy ladders, they reach high branches, cutting each avocado with precision. But here's the detail most people miss. Every avocado is gently placed into a chest-worn basket to prevent even the slightest bruise, because even a small impact can ruin its quality. A skilled worker can harvest hundreds of pounds per hour, but machines still can't match the control of human hands. It's not just harvesting, it's craftsmanship. Once collected, the avocados are arranged neatly in crates under the trees before beginning their next journey. And just when you think the hard part is over, it's only getting started. The avocados are transported to advanced processing facilities where strict control takes over. The first step? Cold storage. Temperatures between 40 to 55 degrees are carefully maintained to slow ripening. Because timing here is everything. Too fast and they spoil. Too slow and they lose quality. From there, the avocados move along automated conveyor systems into the washing stage. High-pressure spray nozzles blast away dirt, debris, and impurities with incredible force and precision. But cleaning alone isn't enough. They pass through a sanitizing water solution designed to eliminate bacteria and extend shelf life. Then comes drying. Soft rotating brushes gently remove moisture, ensuring the fruit remains flawless. It may look smooth, but every step is controlled. And now comes one of the most advanced stages, optical sorting. High-speed machines equipped with laser sensors scan each avocado in milliseconds, analyzing color, size, ripeness, and even microscopic defects. Only the best pass through. But here's the twist. Humans still make the final call when needed, because perfection isn't just about data. It's about judgment. After sorting, each avocado is labeled with origin and batch information before moving to packaging. Workers carefully place them into cartons or more advanced facilities. Robotic arms take over, handling delicate fruit with precision, packing over 1,200 cartons per hour. Once packaged, the avocados are stored again under strict temperature control before being shipped across the country. But not all avocados are meant to stay whole. In fact, only about 65% are sold fresh. The rest take a completely different path, one that transforms them into products people love even more. And this is where things get interesting. Some avocados are processed into rich, golden oil. Others are turned into frozen chunks. But the real star? Guacamole, the creamy dip that dominates parties and game days. The process begins with peeling and de-pitting, where workers carefully extract the soft flesh without damaging it. Then it moves into grinding systems where it's blended into a smooth texture, while ingredients like lime juice, salt, garlic, onions, and chilies are added automatically to ensure perfect flavor balance. But here's where science steps in. The finished guacamole is placed into an HPP system, high-pressure processing that eliminates bacteria without heat, preserving freshness naturally. No preservatives. No compromise. Just pure flavor. Finally, the guacamole is packaged, stored, and prepared for global distribution. And beyond all this, avocados also transform into nutrient-rich oil through cold pressing, maintaining their vitamins and healthy fats. Frozen avocados follow yet another path. Rapid freezing at extremely low temperatures to preserve their color, taste, and nutrient for up to a year. And when you step back and see the full journey, from seed to orchard to high-tech processing, you realize something incredible. This isn't just a fruit. It's a system driven by precision, care, and innovation. So the next time you enjoy guacamole or slice into an avocado, remember, behind that creamy texture lies a process far more intense than you ever imagined. And just when you think the story of avocados ends, it quietly opens a door to something even more surprising. Because behind every healthy orchard lies years of invisible struggle, root rot, pests, and constant pruning that farmers must battle to keep the trees alive and productive. After 3 to 4 years, the trees finally begin to flower and bear fruit, but even then, the work never stops. Branches are carefully trimmed year after year to improve airflow, reduce disease, and protect the future harvest. And just when you step back, thinking you've seen it all, another fruit enters the scene with an equally fascinating story. Kiwi. Small, fuzzy, and often overlooked. Kiwi is actually a powerhouse packed with twice the vitamin C of oranges and a flavor that balances sweetness with sharp, refreshing edge. But growing it isn't simple. Kiwi vines stretch endlessly across trellises, demanding the perfect mix of warm summers and cold winters, a rare combination that makes them one of the most selective crops in agriculture. Countries like China, New Zealand, and Italy dominate production, with China alone producing over 2.3 million tons each year. But here's where things get intense. Harvesting kiwi is not as easy as it looks. You can't shake trees or rush the process. Timing is everything. Farmers rely on precise measurements of sugar levels using refractometers, waiting for the exact moment when the fruit reaches perfect sweetness. Pick too early and it's sour. Too late and it loses quality. And even today, most kiwis are still harvested by hand. Workers carefully inspect each vine, selecting only the best fruit, gently twisting it off without damaging its delicate skin. It's slow, demanding work that requires patience and skill. Every kiwi is placed into soft crates to avoid bruising, and initial sorting begins right there in the field. Damaged or unripe fruit is removed immediately. It's a system built on precision. But here's the twist. While tradition still dominates, technology is quietly stepping in. Advanced harvesting robots now use cameras and sensors to detect ripe fruit, with robotic arms mimicking the gentle touch of human hands. These machines can work day and night, dramatically increasing efficiency while reducing labor costs. It's the perfect blend of human skill and machine precision. Once harvested, the kiwis are transported to processing facilities, and that's where the real transformation begins. Conveyor belts carry them into washing systems where water jets and soft brushes clean away dirt and debris, almost like a spa treatment for fruit. But cleaning doesn't stop there. A second stage, dry cleaning, uses rotating brushes and powerful air jets to remove remaining particles without adding moisture. This step is critical, because too much moisture can lead to spoilage and mold during storage. Every detail matters. And when you step back and look at the entire journey, from delicate vines to advanced processing systems, you begin to realize something powerful. This isn't just about fruit. It's about a system driven by precision, timing, and constant adaptation. So the next time you slice into a kiwi or enjoy avocado toast, remember, behind that simple moment lies a process filled with pressure, innovation, and effort that most people never see. And just when you think the transformation is complete, the kiwi faces its final test. After cleaning, the fruit doesn't just move forward, it's judged. This is where everything is decided. The sorting stage begins, and it's far more intense than it sounds. Imagine a high-stakes election process where only the best survive. Advanced machines equipped with lasers, cameras, and precision sensors scan every single kiwi at incredible speed, analyzing size, weight, color, and even the smallest surface imperfections. It's like a beauty contest, but with no room for error. The flawless kiwis, perfectly shaped and vibrant, are selected for the fresh market, destined to sit proudly on supermarket shelves, catching the eyes of buyers. But what about the rest? Here's the twist. Nothing goes to waste. Kiwis that don't meet visual perfection aren't rejected. They're redirected. These fruits continue their journey into processing, where they're transformed into juices, jams, and other products, proving that even imperfection has value. And just when you think the pressure is over, another crucial stage begins: packaging. This isn't just about putting fruit into boxes. It's a precise operation where each kiwi is carefully placed into specially designed trays that protect it from bruising. Every tray fits perfectly, almost like it was custom-made for each fruit. The trays are then arranged into boxes, labeled with detailed information, origin, variety, weight, and barcodes, preparing them for a long journey that could span thousands of miles. Because once they leave the factory, there's no second chance. But the story doesn't end with packaging. Kiwi isn't just a fruit, it's a global powerhouse. This industry generates billions of dollars every year, supporting farmers, workers, and entire economies. In countries like New Zealand, kiwi has become more than agriculture. It's a symbol of national identity. Across the world, it finds its place in both simple meals and gourmet dishes. But beyond economics and culture, kiwi holds something even more valuable: nutrition. Packed with vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants, it's not just delicious, it's powerful. Some studies even suggest it improves digestion and supports heart health. It's a small fruit with a big impact. And when you step back and look at the entire journey, from vine to factory to your table, you realize something incredible. What starts as a small, slightly rough fruit ends up as a perfectly clean, sorted, and packaged product, ready to be enjoyed anywhere in the world. A transformation driven by precision, technology, and human effort working together. So, the next time you take a bite of kiwi or pour a glass of kiwi juice, pause for a moment, because behind that simple taste lies a journey filled with pressure, decisions, and unseen effort. And if this story changed the way you see it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay with us, because there's always more happening behind the scenes than you think.